You're not going to take a video.
Yeah, we're going to do a video. So here we are at Newcastle Airport. Come on, Wayne, come be in it. You got to be. I'll just squish you in like that. There's Wayne there, see? Oh, he's shy. He's shy.
Yeah.
He's shy. Anyway, here we are at Newcastle, getting ready to go up for the trip where we bring the cat back, Dave's cat, and we've just dropped our bags in, so we're going to go in and have a beer and relax and get ready for our flight. Talk to you soon. Anyway, this is Brisbane. Brisbane Airport. Look at that.
Melbourne.
Look at that. Empty. Empty over there. There's a bloke sleeping there. Look at that. Out there. Empty. So that's how you're doing that. Oh, there's a Virgin. Look at that. There's a Virgin over there. Don't like that? Huh? So Dave,
Covers on them look good.
we made it.
I know, it's cool.
How good's that? Have you refueled? What's that? Is that spare fuel?
Yeah.
How much?
I topped it up just for the bread, the tank,
Yep.
plus 25 litres.
Cool. Anyway, this is Dave's cat. Yeah, this is the second trip up, and we're just going to go up to the pub, have a couple of beers, maybe a steak meal. Is that right, Wayne?
Yeah.
Steak meal.
Might be our last one.
What?
Might be our last one.
Bloody hope not. So we're just going to go and have a steak meal. Dave reckons he's got everything under control.
You didn't see the name on the side of the back, it says SS Minnow.
SS Minnow.
She might not want a picture taken.
Just in case, Wayne. Dave, good pub.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yep, it's great.
Very,
And
cosy,
the beer's
very
cold
cosy.
for a change, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Coming from an Englishman, that's a funny
I
comment.
like cold beer now.
Really?
I've made the complete conversion.
Are you?
I like Vegemite and cold beer.
Vegemite.
What's the other about?
Is it mainly Brisbane music? What have you got, Wayne? What sort of pizza? I like them olives.
A nursery one.
Okay. What'd you have, Dave?
I got a Mountjoy.
A Joy.
Mountjoy.
Hey Dave, this is probably costing you more than what it did to buy the boat.
Oh yeah.
It's morning, Dave.
Good morning, Derek. How are you?
Tired, Dave.
It's 4:41 a.m.
Is it?
on Good Friday.
No, it's 5. Oh, yeah, sorry.
It's 4:41.
Queensland time, of
You
course.
want to go back to sleep for an hour?
Nah, fuck that. Let's get going.
So what I want to do is to leave here in Manly.
Yep.
Shoot through between there.
Yep.
Then about an hour across to the south part of Peel Island
Yep.
in here.
So we're going to keep on port.
Yeah. Then we're going to shoot right across, see that line there?
Yep.
We're going to follow that line to that beacon there.
Yep.
Then the fun starts. And it's beacon to beacon,
Yep.
as per the book.
As per the book.
Right down as close as we can to North Stradbroke Island. All the way down here. Okay, and then,
That's a skinny channel.
yeah, but it's the quickest way. Then down here, we're not through all this, so we'll go through the main
We're not
channel.
going out here.
We can have a think about it, but I've been told by the locals not to do that,
Why?
because it can be breaking water out there,
It can be breaking water in a lot of places.
but not at the seaway. So when we get here, down here to the seaway, deep, the only downside with the seaway is that the tide will be going out and the wind will be blowing in. So it might be bumpy for 10 minutes and then we're out and away, sailing.
Okay, it's 5 o'clock. We're just leaving Brisbane. Dave's just engaged the auto helm. Can't see, it's a bit dark.
It's a bit dark.
Sun's starting to come up and it's raining. Not raining as bad as when we left, is it?
No, we're headed into the clear skies of God's Northern.
Got that big parachute up in the air. Yeah. Like, took off.
You lost a lot of money on that one, didn't you?
Oh,
So where are we now, Dave?
We're just off Stratford Island. North Stratford Island over there.
Say hello. One thing about these phones is they pick up a lot of wind noise.
We're at a place called Canal Pit.
Canal Pit.
Yeah, this is the Canal Commode Park.
It's helping us.
Yeah, 8.1 over the ground.
And the motor's not working hard at all, is it? What's it doing?
3,000
2,800. That's good.
So what that would go to 5,000 or 6,000?
Yeah, well, 5.5. Looks like it's still raining pretty heavy over Brisbane. It's actually a bit lighter down south, Dave.
I think so.
Right, there's not too much wind noise, but that's Gold Coast down there, and we're about 10 minutes away from Runaway Bay Marina, where we're going to stop and refuel. I suppose it has been alright coming down the inland route because of the flat water. Quite a few boats out on Easter Friday though. Friday. Comfortably cruising along at 8.3 knots. Our maximum so far has been 10.7,
34.2 miles.
in 4 hours. 4.5 hours. Trying to dry out the floor mats. Had a lot of rain last night. Yeah, I don't know if I can see it in the distance, but that's Gold Coast. And the weather has cleared up a little. Of course, it looks like it's still storming up in Brisbane. Yeah, sorry I didn't take the photo before, but that was Runaway Bay Marina, quite tight for a 38-foot cat. But we've got some extra fuel. Easter Friday, no shops are open in Queensland, so we couldn't get any extra grub. A bit windy, I'm sorry, but so just heading down to go out the seaway. Okay, you can see a little bit of swell happening now. This is the seaway side. A few boats coming in and out. Yep. I am. Just cavitating a bit now. You got it, Jennifer? No, just putting. No, just it was slapping around a lot. How you doing? What speed are we doing? 4. Oh, so it's probably only 14s. 14, 15 knots. Come up into wind, Dave. Rightio, can start. Just watch the battens on the lazy jacks, like what happens to me. Of course, the obligatory dolphins turn up. I'm sorry about the wind, ladies and gentlemen, but I've got to get this. Here we are, cruising along, 11 knots, and these fellas come out of the blue, playing at the bow. Nah, these turned off. Anyway, this is punching into about a 12 knot easterly at the moment. We're still trying to get a little bit of southing as we're heading out. Bit of a lumpy day. Confused swell, running about 2 metres with about a metre chop. Got a bit of wind swell with an opposite ground swell at times. But having a ball.
At 1800 hours, we put the first reef in and settled in for the night. I made myself a lamb curry and rice and had dinner and started my 3-hour watch. The weather worsened during the night, and at 2:15 AM we blew the headsail. Had to pack it away and turn the motor on. We're about 20 nautical miles east of Coffs Harbour.
Okay, well this is exciting stuff. We've arrived in Coffs Harbour. We would have got a lot further south, but we had gear breakages, blew the headsail out, and Dave's been steering straight from the headsail damage. Probably what, 8 hours you've been steering now? 4 or 5. Autopilot was playing up because we can't motor fast because we cavitate if we do. And right in front of us here is Coffs Harbour. You can see the breakwall to the left, the island to the right, and we're going straight down the guts of that, Dave. Straight down head, she said straight for the wharf, and once you get to the wharf, just before you hit that, you turn right into the marina, and then we'll turn right again past E-arm, and we're on D-arm. We're on the western side of D-arm, 10, 20, 7, 28, something like that. It's a 15 metre berg. Okay, so I'm just going to do some work, peoples. Catch you later. I'd say the starboard side, at a guess. Where do we put those other fellas? Up the front. And the lines are up there too, aren't they? Ouch. the salt probably.
Well, it'll kill the germs.
Yeah. Not real inviting weather for a visit to Coffs Harbour, is it? I think you need to come to starboard a bit. That's better. Tuna? Really?
Yeah, I'll just make it on water.
Fair dinkum. Oh, we should have had a trolling line here. Cool.
Sometimes we taste it.
Marine Rescue Coffs Harbour, Marine Rescue Coffs Harbour, Marine Rescue Coffs Harbour. This is Bow River, Bow River, Bow River on 1-6.
This is Marine Rescue Coffs Harbour. Can you get in on 1-9 for me, please? Over.
1-9 acknowledged. Bow River standing by.
Bow River, Marine Rescue Coffs Harbour. Can I help? Over.
Affirmative, we are now inside the harbour entrance, heading for the jetty to turn right into the marina for an allocated pen. Appreciate your assistance, Marine Rescue. We'd presently like to log off. Thank you.
I'm glad you're safe and made it to Coffs Harbour and welcome, and I'll log you off at 10:56. Marine Rescue Coffs Harbour. Yeah.
Almost looks like moss growing on that rock, doesn't it? We're going up there, yes. Oh, hang on. He'll reverse up to it, Wayne. Right, stop. Right.